HIV in your favorite Easter eggs? A post making the rounds on Facebook is alarming a lot of people. And with Easter just about 3 weeks away, it's spreading fast.
Right, but is it legit? 5 on Your Side's Ann Allred set out to verify if this post is true. Ann?
Kay, this has been spreading for a couple of days. I noticed it myself on yesterday, and it shows police are leading a guy away. Here's the picture right here. Says he added his infected blood to Cadbury products, saying a worker from the company has added his blood contaminated with HIV/AIDS. It goes on to say this was reported on BBC News. And then there's a picture below of several Cadbury chocolate Easter candies. Now, this has really got Twitter talking. Let's take a look here. Disney wifey ends her tweets by saying, "I'd probably stay away from those this year." Brian Dubez tweets, "People just circulate nonsense. The HIV virus doesn't survive without a host unless Cadbury is now a human being." And then Kate Lisdave here, she sums it all up by saying, "Easter is canceled." So I talked with a rep of Cadbury. They told me, "I can confirm that this post is indeed false and baseless. We maintain the highest quality and safety standards for all our products. And as you can imagine, negative posts like this damage consumer confidence in our well-respected and loved brands. So we're asking customers to not spread the hoax by sharing it further." So Cadbury verifies the post is false. And if they say if you have any questions for the company, call their customer service line at 855-535-5648. But we've got, let's see, on Sunday, I think it's just 3 weeks till Easter, so a lot of people were sharing this thing. But it is false. So eat your Cadbury eggs.
Good to know.
If you want.
Thank you, Ann.